I just thought I'd make a quick video of the Breville grind control. I am going to be listing it as is because it's missing the carafe thing, and I don't know anything about these. So please understand, I will send you a message to confirm that you understand it is as is, because I don't know how to test it. I just turned it on and I'm doing the little video to show what is included. See, it has this little doohickey, I think it's called a burr. And I think I need to make a quick video. I think eBay only gives you a certain amount of time, but let's go ahead and lock this up and turn it on so we can hear it. Okay, so it's got the cup thing in there. Okay, so let's do that. Let's start. Oh, fill tank. Menu. Clock. Tank. Oh, open is this. Alright, so there it is. That's where you put the water in there. Okay, so cancel. There it is.
Are you trying to avoid us? John's been on the road since Christmas. All work and no play, Johnny.